What is going on, you guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video we got a Corvette C7 Z06. The color that I'm wrapping it in is the same color that I wrapped the C8 Corvette. It's the gloss sparkle white by ApaFilm. I am doing a little bit something different with this car, so the black is going to be left alone. This is the Z06, so I got the Z06 side skirts. That black is being left alone, and then this part I had a two-piece, so I wrapped it in the gloss sparkle white and then two-pieced it, put the 3M 2080 black part right here, this vinyl, and it makes it look so much more aggressive. And we're not done just yet, but do stay tuned because I got a couple other areas that I'm going to do gloss black just to button it up a little bit more, and then we will take this car out, do a 360 walk around. Man, I'm telling you guys, I'm already being blown away by the look of it. And there you guys have it all complete, and all the gloss black accents are done. Everything's blending really nicely. So what I did different here is the hood area and the side mirrors. To start off with the hood, this part was just all one color. The only thing that was different, obviously, that you could really see here was this part right here, this vent. It was black already. It's this color, this really nice metallic black color. So he asked me, why won't you just like make this part also gloss black? And I said no problem. So knifeless tape, gloss black, 3M 2080, and then obviously this white is by ApaFilm. It's the gloss sparkle white. It makes it look so much better, and all those black accents really complement everything together, as well as the side mirrors. It's the same 3M 2080 gloss black, and it just looks so good. I'm thinking really to do the Targa top part and then this piece right here in gloss black. I think it'll look really good, but we could always redo that in either gloss black or carbon fiber. That's really not hard, but so far it's looking really good, way better than it first came to me. He's gonna be very happy. This vent right here on the rear quarter panel, or rear fender, however people call this, has to be off. In my opinion, it makes it look 100,000 times better, and it's really not hard to take off. Very easy, just follow the YouTube tutorials. I never did this car. I took apart this whole vent part within like 10 minutes. Very easy to take off. I was surprised it's that easy. The bumper as well, very easy to take off. The C5 Corvette was the hardest out of all the Corvettes. I think the C5 Corvette, as far as disassembling is concerned, it's the hardest to take apart. The C8 is probably the second, then it's the C6, then it's the C7. C7 being the easiest. Just like that, customer is very happy. Looks so good. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video.